Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. Today is Friday, December 20th. Hope you guys are doing great. Christmas is next week. Hanukkah starts next week. I know we're all busy, but thank you so much for taking a minute to come and see my haul this week. I really appreciate you stopping by. Let me show you what I got this week. Let's see, I went to Michael's today. I had to pick up one thing, and then I got a few others, and I got an order in from Papertrey Ink. I saw this come across an ad on, no, I think it was an email. I'm on their email list. And this is a die set. It's called Cookie Swap. It doesn't come on the magnetic plate. I put it on there. But these are all of the dies it comes with. And they're teeny tiny, if you could see. So I love that it like has a little key on the back to show you what everything is. I think it's sold out again. It had sold out previously, and I saw the email that said it was back in stock, so I ordered it. And it was on sale too. I will link it down below, so you can keep an eye on it in case it is out of stock if you want it. So it comes with all of these pieces, a cookie sheet die, which reminds me of the new one from Scrap Diva Designs. It's similar. And then it comes with all these cute little cookies. As you can see on the back, like it makes a snowman and a reindeer and a Christmas tree and just all these cute little ones. Now you have to like paper piecing to put this together, and I just wanted one afternoon to unwind, so I just cut all the pieces apart. I put on some videos and just made a card with this, and it took a while. It took several hours, so it's not something you would do for, just like a assembly line kind of project. But if you just want to make something really, really cute and just detailed, then this is really fun to do. And all of the pieces you can use on other projects too, like the rolling pin and the cute oven mitt that has the embossing on it. So let me show you what I made. I did put a card front together so far. I didn't make it into a card yet, but I think it came out really, really cute. And this actually comes from Scrap Diva Designs. This is in the December release. I'll link this down below too in case you're interested. It's just the word enjoy, and I kind of like offset it. I cut it out of white paper and orange like shiny glossy paper from scrapbook.com, and then put it on this like a almond cream paper, and I did pop that up on some foam tape. Everything's popped up on either foam or foam tape, and I just had so much fun making each little individual cookie. Aren't they cute? So all the pieces are from the die set. The only thing that's not are the little pink dots I used Nuvo drops for, but like those chocolate chips come from the die. The eyes on the reindeer, even the little cheeks come with the die set. This hot cocoa mug comes with it with the little marshmallows, the spatula, and then there's that oven mitt, and the plate die comes with it. It's actually two dies because you could see the rim of the plate comes up a little bit, so you just kind of layer it on top if you want to. I just love the little snowman. I did glitter it up a little bit too, and it's just adorable. Let me take some measurements in case you are wondering how small these are. Like this cookie, for example, is, it's about, that's about 5/8 of an inch. So it's small. But it was fun to put together. Papertrey Ink makes really nice quality dies. So when look at the embossing on that one with the heart, it's going to come out looking really cute. So I think this came out to be a beautiful card. And yeah, it was just nice to do. Sometimes I just want to just not have anything that I have to do and just make something, that I enjoy creating. So that's why I made that. So I got that from Papertrey Ink. It was on sale for $25.20. I think the normal price is like $28. So that's why I decided to pick it up, and it was on stock. I got a few other things too. I picked up these glassine bags. This is a pack of, let me see my receipt, 25 bags. It was only $2. So I thought it'd be good to put in like mini albums. Sometimes, you make a pocket and you put things in there. So let's see what they look like. I really don't like how you can see the glue line on them though. That's, I don't love that. But maybe, when you fill it up, you won't see that glue line on the back. So, but they're really cute little size. These are, not including that flap, about 4.5 inches by 2 3/4 of an inch. So yeah, cute little bags. Figured why not for $2, right? And then I picked up this paper, which is so funny because it says price $3 on there, but this is actually $5. Maybe it was $3. I guess it was $3 at some point, but they have really nice cardstock and lots of beautiful colors. So this is a color, it's called Vintage Jadeite. I've had this before and I really like it, and I figured I would just grab it while I was there too. And this paper, I forget what the weight of it is, but I will link it to, let me look at my receipt. Maybe it says, no, it doesn't. But I'll link it so you can check out the weight. But it's really nice and thick, probably like 110 or close to that. So that's all I got from Papertrey Ink. And I have my comfy on, you know, one of those big like wearable blankets. This one has Christmas donuts and stuff on it. It is so cold here in my basement, so that's why I'm wearing that now. So anyway, okay, so I went to Michael's because I needed some more Beacon 3-in-1 glue. And this was $8.99, but I had a 30% off coupon for one regular price thing, so I used that for this. And I love this glue. I like Fabri-Tac too. You can pretty much use them interchangeably, but I really like this one, and I ran out of it, so I wanted to pick up another one. They didn't have it at Walmart. All they had was Fabri-Tac. I forget if I'd gotten it there before. Hobby Lobby has it too. So I got that, and then I finally picked up these. All of these like paper crafting things were 60% off. So I got this, and I had been looking at these since they came out. These are little wreath clay bits and $4.99, but 60% off that. So, you know, whatever that was. I don't know. I'm not mathing right now. Not food safe. So got those. And then I got this paper pad, which I've also been eyeing for a while. This is the Shimmer Christmas Neutrals. And I forgot to open it up. But I like this pad because it's got like some colors that you don't normally see in shimmer. Like I think the white is kind of like a plain white, which is nice. Sometimes white shimmer paper is really kind of like a grayed out white. So this is normally $19.99, so it was like, I don't know, $10 or something. No, less than that. I don't know, 60% off of 20, so that was $8, I guess. So let's see. I'll show you what's in here. So yeah, see that white? I mean, it is like a pearl white, but I think it's really like a nice white shimmer paper. I think that'll be good for like snowy projects. So it comes with that. It's a nice white, 6 designs, 6 sheets of each. And then there's a black shimmer, which I think is really nice to have. I have like dark gray shimmer, but nothing black. And there's a gray one. And then it comes with, is that a different gray? No. Let's see, like a tan one. This would be good for beach projects, I think. Like a nice sandy color. And then looks like there's gold coming up. Sorry, where's the gold? Okay, this is the gold. So that's pretty too. I like to use gold shimmer paper. And then there is this like light gold color. Wait a second. All right, so maybe it's this color, and that color. So those are very similar. That, yeah, okay, sorry about that. There's like a darker gold, a lighter gold, and then this like yellowy gold. So yeah, that's what I got from Walmart, Michael's, and that's pretty much all I have to share with you this week. I told you guys I was going to see Wicked last Friday. Oh, it was so good. I loved it. I've just been singing the songs to myself since then, and it was long. It was like 2 hours and 40 minutes, but it did not seem that way at all. It was just so, so good. So thank you to everybody who told me you guys liked it. I agree. It was excellent, and I can't wait for part 2 to come out. I know that they filmed it while they were filming part 1. It's just going to come out next year. So looking forward to that. And yeah, that's about it. So next week is Christmas on Wednesday. I'm going to have company through Saturday. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get a haul video out next week. If I do, I will film it on Tuesday, but then I have to have something to show you. So I'm not sure if I will. If you don't see a haul video from me next week, it's just because, you know, I didn't have anything and it's Christmas time. I'll try to put something in my community tab just to let you know. But if you don't see anything, don't worry. It's just I haven't, you know, it's Christmas and I have a company. So if, well, I will get out definitely a Scrap Diva Designs project video this weekend, so stay tuned for that. But if I don't talk to you after that, before Christmas, I hope you guys have a really Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. Hanukkah starts on Christmas as well this year. It's late, so we'll be celebrating both. We light a menorah, we, you know, celebrate Christmas, so it's fun, very festive around here. All right, you guys, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Holidays, and let me know what you think about today's haul. Any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Bye.